Do you feel like you don't speak enough Chinese? That you need to know more words? Then stick around. With these lessons, you'll pick up some of the most common words in just a few minutes. Now, this video is a small portion of our learning program. To get the full lessons, translations, and Fluency Fast study tools, click the link in the description and sign up for your free lifetime account.
中国人很喜欢打麻将。Chinese people like to play 麻将。麻将 is a very popular Chinese game. 啊，对不起 or 不好意思，您能告诉我天安门广场怎么走吗？ That means I'm sorry or excuse me, could you please tell me where is天安门 Square? 这是真的，请你相信我。It's true, please trust me. 小王，过来过来。这个文件有点问题，再拿去改一改。It's like the boss tell the staff, come here, Miss Wang, this file is not all right, please correct it again. 我对工作有无限的热情。That means I'm super passionate about my work. 真棒，太棒了。That means awesome. 你住在哪儿？Where do you live? 你叫什么名字 ？What's your name? 你在哪儿工作 ？Where do you work? Maybe you can answer like the city. For example, 我在北京工作 I work in Beijing. And also you can answer the company name. You can answer like 我在某某公司工作。你来自哪儿 ？Where are you from? If you really want to know the hometown, you must ask. 您老家是哪里 ？That means where is your hometown? Where are you come from? And if you just speak, 您来自哪儿？你来自哪儿 ？Maybe I can answer like, I came from Beijing University. 你说什么 ？What did you say? If you can't hear clearly about the question or the word from other people, you can ask, 不好意思，您说什么？ If you feel very shocked about the words, you can speak like, 你说什么 ？It's 什么？洗手间在哪儿 ？Where is the bathroom? It's a survival Chinese, guys. You must know that. And also, I highly recommend it you speak more polite, like, 不好意思，请问一下洗手间在哪儿？ The person maybe will answer you, 你看，就在那边 just over there. 你在哪里学的中文 ？Where did you learn Chinese? I learned from YouTube channel. 我从 YouTube 视频上学的。I learned by myself. 我自学的。我的专业是中文。My major is Chinese. I learned from school. 我从学校里学的。你学中文多久了 ？How long have you been studying Chinese? 1个月、2个月。Be attention about 个。1 month, 2 months. And also you can speak 1 year, 2 year. There is no 个。If you don't want to tell the person how long time, the exactly time, you can speak 没有多长时间 not so much time, or it's been a long time, 学了很久了。你的生日是什么时候 When is your birthday? For a Chinese person, like my family, it's a traditional family, so we use a lunar calendar, 阴历。And I will say, 我的阴历生日是几月几号 And for you, absolutely, you use the Western calendar. If you want to shock the native speaker, you can answer like, 我的阳历生日是几月几号 That means my Western calendar birthday is which month, which day. 我的名字是 My name is. The more casual way to say your name is 我叫雨婷 I'm called 雨婷。你好，很高兴认识你。您好。You just can use 您好 to the respectable person. For example, your teacher, your leader. But you can't use in the same generation friends. If you want to use for friends, you can use 你好。 You can say like that. 你好，很高兴见到你 or 你好，很高兴认识你。我来自中国 I'm from China. And if you want to introduce more about yourself, because China is so big, I want to say that I came from the north part of China. 我来自中国的北方，我住在北京。I live in Beijing. When you introduce yourself, you can use 我住在For myself, I live in 呼伦贝尔。我住在呼伦贝尔。呼伦贝尔 is my hometown. Please visit my hometown, 呼伦贝尔。You are super welcomed. 我是一名学生。You can tell your occupation, your career. For example, you are a teacher. You can say 我是一名老师。And if you are an engineer, you can speak 我是一名工程师。医生 doctor, lawyer 律师。And if you work for government, you can speak 我是公务员。Okay, next one, tell your age. Ha ha ha. Maybe sometimes you don't want to tell your age, but it's okay. 我今年24岁。I'm 24 years old. 我的爱好是摄影。My hobby is photography. And also I love travel. 而且我也喜欢旅行。你喜欢旅行吗？ Do you like to travel? 我喜欢听音乐。I enjoy listening to music. And I also enjoy cooking. 我喜欢做饭。And watching movie. 看电影。我学习中文已经24年了。I have been learning Chinese for 24 years. How long have you been studying Chinese? 你学中文多长时间了？我的梦想是当一名中文老师。My dream is to be a Chinese teacher. So here I am. I hope you can enjoy my lesson. 我希望你们喜欢我的中文课。
Want to speak real Chinese from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at ChineseClass101.com.
下周六是我们的10周年同学聚会。下周六是我们的10周年同学聚会。Next Saturday is our 10-year class reunion. So 聚会 can refer to the reunion with your family or with your classmates or with your friends. So for family reunion, 家庭聚会。For friends reunion, 朋友聚会。For classmates reunion, 同学聚会。中国人在元宵节里吃汤圆、赏花灯。中国人在元宵节里吃汤圆、赏花灯。Chinese people eat glutinous rice balls and watch lanterns during the Lantern Festival. Okay, frankly speaking, I'm a huge fan of Japanese dessert, but this Chinese glutinous rice ball is one of my favorite, and I couldn't easily get it in Japan. So this is like a mochi rice, the white one, and the filling is very hot and sesame sauce. So when you bite it, the sesame sauce will smoothly go to your mouth, and it's hot and sweet and smells so good because you know how sesame smells. And most importantly, it's hot because so many Japanese desserts, they are cold, but sometimes I have a craving for hot dessert. So this rice ball, I really highly recommend it. Not only sesame filling, sometimes they have hazelnut filling, and they have meat filling. They have a good variety of fillings, but the sesame sauce is the best. Please try it when you go to China. It doesn't have to be Lantern Festival. It can be any time of the year. It's easily available in the supermarket. So if you can speak Chinese very well, you can watch so many videos where Chinese chefs teach you how to cook authentic Chinese food. Because I know there are some famous Chinese dishes where you can order famous Chinese restaurants in foreign countries which we Chinese do not even know. Like orange chicken, maybe? We do not really have this food in China, at least from my experience. I never see this dish called orange chicken in Chinese restaurant, but it tastes not bad. 我要看懂一部中文电影，每天都看一遍。I'll fully understand why Chinese movie by watching it every day. My favorite drama which inspires and my interest in English learning is definitely Friends. I love Friends so much. I watched it like maybe 100 times. And especially the funny part, I couldn't get tired of watching it. 暑假总是过得很快。Summer break always goes by fast. If you have some person you really like at school, you will feel summer vacation goes by very slow. 布达拉宫是位于西藏的佛教圣地。Potala Palace is a Buddhist attraction located in Tibet. My friend who went to Tibet said it's life-changing experience. And that was the first time he felt the sky was never that blue. Like that was the first time in his time to feel the pureness of heart and the closest ever he felt with the sky and the pureness of heart. 好了好了 Okay, that's it. That's why I think you can use it in your fighting with your date. Like you want to close a discussion, you want to close a fight. You will say, oh, okay, 好了好了 Okay, that's it. It's my fault. Okay, that's it. 好了好了 It's your fault. Okay, I'm sorry. 好了好了 It's my fault. It's like that. 我载你回家 I will drive you home. More commonly used in the States, I think. 我送你回家 It's more common, I guess. Like, I will take you home by bus or by train or by taxi. 我载你回家 is like, I will drive you home. 今天是我的母亲的生日 Today is the birthday of my mother. Do you remember your mother's birthday?
But I think if somebody give me a suggestion, I will so grateful and so appreciate. Even the suggestion is really not working, I will never see that. Actually, this sentence we never use in the casual life. Even the suggestion is really a bad suggestion. You just can't speak. 谢谢你的建议. Thanks for your suggestion. My favorite food, baking duck. Do you like Beijing 烤鸭? Baking duck. 哈哈. 好吃. Yay, yummy, delicious. Swimming is my favorite hobby. 游泳是我最大的爱好. Cross-style. Freestyle. Butterfly. Guess, for example, this is a bed. 这个床好软，好舒服. The bed is so soft and comfortable. Actually, in my generation, all the friends will say okay instead of 好的. So you can just use okay. But like this. Could you come here, please? 好的. Okay. Could you please help me pass this water? 好的. Okay. Let's have a ice massage to relax a little bit. 我们做一下眼部按摩，放松一下吧。This man is my father. 这个男人是我爸爸。What will you do in the dark night? 你们在黑暗的夜里会干什么？ Oh, my watch is broken. I want to buy a new one. 我想买一块新表。In China, especially during the Spring Festival, if you want to visit your friend's home, you will say to the elderly, 祝老人健康长寿. May the elderly live longer and stay healthy. It's so hot here. Could you please turn on the air conditioner? 这里好热呀，你能帮我开一下空调吗？谢谢 Thank you. 时间停止吧，我还想再睡半小时。 Time, please stop. I want to sleep another half an hour. 怎么还不下课呀？肚子饿了。I'm so hungry. The test is so hard. 这个考试好难呀。我是年轻人。I also want to tell you that, in China, the young people can't afford the house. 在中国，年轻夫妇买不起房。
Remember, here's what you can do to learn all of these words by heart. Drill these words with our spaced repetition flashcards, which will help cement these words into your long-term memory. Save them to the word bank, your personal vocabulary collection, where you can print out your own study sheets, or review the words with our looped vocabulary slideshow, and play it until you know all of the words. So click the link in the description right now and sign up for your free lifetime account to get these lessons and study tools.